For a long time, I experimented with different ETFs, income ETFs, high yield ETFs, the hot ETF of the month. If it existed, I probably looked at it. And through all of that, one ETF kept staying in my portfolio, no matter what strategy I tried, no matter what market cycle we were in, no matter how my thinking evolved, VOO stayed. And today, I want to explain exactly why VOO is still my number one ETF to buy and hold forever. Not because it's perfect, not because it never drops, not because it's exciting, but because it does something better than almost anything else in the market. It helps you win by doing less. When I first started investing, I didn't appreciate that. I thought success came from being active, from making smart moves, from switching at the right time, from finding better ETFs. So I kept experimenting. Every new idea felt like an upgrade. Every change felt productive. But over time, I noticed something uncomfortable. The more I changed things, the less consistent my results became. My portfolio was always in motion, but it wasn't always moving forward. That's when I started paying attention to what actually worked. And quietly, in the background, VOO was doing its job. While I was testing strategies, VOO was compounding. While I was overthinking, VOO was growing. While I was reacting to headlines, VOO was ignoring them. That's when it clicked. The best investment in my portfolio wasn't the one I thought about the most. It was the one I thought about the least. Let's talk about what VOO actually represents. When you buy VOO, you're buying ownership in the biggest and strongest companies in the United States. Companies that dominate their industries, companies with massive cash flow, companies that adapt to change, companies that survive recessions, crises, and disruptions. These are not fragile businesses. They are economic engines, technology leaders, healthcare giants, financial institutions, consumer brands, industrial powerhouses, all in one fund. You're not betting on one company. You're betting on American business as a whole. That's a powerful position because for over a century, despite wars, crashes, political shifts, and technological revolutions, American companies have continued to grow. VOO captures that. It doesn't try to predict winners. It lets the market decide. When a company gets stronger, it becomes a bigger part of the index. When it weakens, it shrinks or gets replaced. You don't have to do anything. The system updates itself. That's one of the most underrated features of VOO. It evolves automatically. Now let's talk about psychology, because investing is more mental than mathematical. Most people know what they should do. Buy quality, hold long-term, ignore noise. But very few people actually do it. Why? Because fear and greed get in the way. During bull markets, people chase. During crashes, people panic. VOO helps reduce both extremes. When markets are soaring, VOO participates. You don't feel left out. When markets crash, VOO holds real businesses. You're not stuck in speculative hype. That makes it easier to stay invested. And staying invested is the real secret. I've seen people jump from strategy to strategy. They move from growth to income to crypto to options to back again. Not because those assets are bad, because they never built a stable core. VOO became my core. It's the anchor, the part of my portfolio I don't touch. Everything else is built around it. Once I did that, my behavior improved. I stopped checking prices constantly. I stopped reacting to every headline. I stopped feeling like I needed to fix something every month because my foundation was solid. Another reason VOO works so well is simplicity. There's no story you need to remember. No special strategy, no moving parts. It's the S&P 500. That's it. You can explain it in one sentence. I own the biggest companies in America. That clarity is powerful. When things get chaotic, simple strategies survive. Complex ones fall apart. Now let's talk about performance. Yes, VOO has strong long-term returns, but that's not the main reason I hold it. Plenty of things have outperformed it in certain years. Tech stocks, small caps, crypto, speculative plays, but none of those outperform consistently for decades. VOO doesn't win every year. It wins over time, and time is what matters. Compounding needs stability. You can't compound if you keep resetting. Every time you sell, switch, or restart, you interrupt the process. VOO encourages patience. It rewards consistency. It doesn't tempt you to trade. It invites you to hold. That's rare. Now let's talk about risk. Some people think VOO is too risky because it's 100% stocks. Others think it's too safe because it's boring. Both misunderstand it. VOO is volatile in the short term. It can drop sharply. It will have bad years. That's normal. But long-term risk is different. Long-term risk is failing to grow, losing purchasing power, outliving your money. VOO fights that. It keeps your capital working. It keeps you exposed to productivity and innovation. Over decades, that's a protection. When I compare VOO to other ETFs I've owned, one thing stands out. It never asked me to believe a story. It never promised anything special. It never needed justification. It just worked. That reliability is rare. Another reason VOO is my top holding is flexibility. You can build almost any portfolio around it. VOO fits with everything. It's a universal core. You don't have to rebuild when your goals change. You just adjust around it. That saves you from starting over, which is something many investors do again and again. They reinvent their portfolio every few years. That kills momentum. With VOO, you build once, then refine. Now, let me be honest. There were times when I questioned holding VOO. When tech was booming, I thought about going all in on growth. When income looked attractive, I thought about shifting. When markets were flat, I wondered if I should try something else. But every time I stepped back, the same conclusion came back. VOO didn't need improvement. My patience did. Most underperformance comes from bad timing, not bad assets. VOO removes timing from the equation. You don't wait for the right moment. You just keep buying. Over time, that wins. That's why if someone asked me today, if you could only own one ETF for life, what would it be? VOO would still be my answer. Not because it's perfect, because it's dependable, because it aligns with how markets actually work, because it matches human psychology, because it helps you stay invested, because it compounds quietly, and because it lets you focus on living your life instead of managing your portfolio. Investing should support your life, not dominate it. VOO does that. That's real wealth. So if you're searching for the best ETF, stop. Look for the one that lets you stop searching. For me, that's VOO, and that's why it's still my #1 ETF to buy and hold forever. If this helped you think more clearly about building a long-term core, make sure to subscribe to Money Stick Unfiltered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.